Hi, Indiana and Iowa. This video today is for the Pick 3 pi method variations that I like to do sometimes. All that is just taking the first 6 digits of pi, which are 314 and 159. No reason for it other than I just like to do that sometimes. And then it's basically a step-by-step guide on how I go about doing this process. For this video, I figured out at the end that it may not matter for this week, but I wanted to go ahead and show you guys the method, and then you can apply it for next Saturday. And I'll go into that a little bit more towards the end of the video here. So for Indiana and Iowa, you guys like Saturdays. And for Indiana and Iowa, there's no adjustments needed for this method. Alright, so I also like to go back about a month to test this theory out. So on December 16th, you guys had 672 hit. You're going to add 314, so 6 plus 3 is 9, 7 plus 1 is 8, and 2 plus 4 is 6. And then you also will subtract off 314. So 6 minus 3 is 3. 7 minus 1 is 6. And then 12 minus 4 is 8. So 368. And 986 did not hit in the next 7 days. You're going to take 986, which you got from over here. 986, so 9 plus 1 is 10, keep the 0. 8 plus 5 is 13, keep the 3. And 6 plus 9 is 15, keep the 5. You're going to also subtract off 159, so 9 minus 1 is 8. 8 minus 5 is 3. And 16 minus 9 is 7, so 837 and 035 did not hit in the next 7 days. You're going to also take 368, which you got from over here. 368 plus 159, so you have 3 plus 1 is 4. 6 plus 5 is 11, keep the 1. 8 plus 9 is 17, keep the 7. And then 3 minus 1 is 2. 6 minus 5 is 1. And then 18 minus 9 is 9. So 219 and 417 did not hit in the next 7 days. You're going to also mirror the 672. So that gives 127. So you're going to add 314. 3 plus 1 is 4. 2 plus 1 is 3. And then 7 plus 4 is 11. Keep the 1. You're going to also subtract off 314. So 7 minus 4 is 3. 11 minus 3 is 8. And then 2 minus 1 is 1. So you'll need to reverse the 1 and the 8. I put them in the wrong spots there. So it should be 813. And then 431 did not hit in the next 7 days. You're going to take 431, which you got from up here. 431 plus 159. 4 plus 1 is 5. 3 plus 5 is 8. And then 1 plus 9 is 10. Keep the 0. 431 minus 159. 11 minus 9 is 2. 13 minus 5 is 8. And then 4 minus 1 is 3. So 580 and 382 did not hit in the next 7 days. You're going to take 813, which you got from up here. Remember, you'll need to reverse that 8 and the 1 on that example. So 813 minus 159, so 13 minus 9 is 4. 11 minus 5 is 6. And then 8 minus 1 is 7. So 764. Was a straight hit in the next 7 days, and I don't recall what that date was, but it was in the next 7 days. So from this point, I'm just going to show you what did hit and what did not hit. So 764, which you got from up here. 764 plus 314, so 7 plus 3 is 10, keep the 0. 6 plus 1 is 7, and then 4 plus 4 is 8. And that did hit on December 27th as a box hit. This method did not work on December 30th on Saturday. The next one was January 6th, and then you would mirror 410, which hit on January 6th. You're going to mirror that to 965. 965 plus 314, so 9 plus 3 is 2. 6 plus 1 is 7. And then 5 plus 4 is 9. So 279 was a box hit, but I didn't catch what the date was on that. But it was within the next 7 days. Okay, so for Indiana and Iowa, you didn't really have too much to this. So from this point, it's just showing you based on what we covered what the next potential numbers would be in the next 7 days based on what we just covered. So you're going to mirror. So yesterday, you had 811 hit. So you're going to mirror that to 366. 366, subtract off 314. So 3 minus 3 is 0. 6 minus 1 is 5, and then 6 minus 4 is 2, so 052. You're going to take 052, subtract off 159, so 12 minus 9 is 3. 5 minus 5 is 0, and then 10 minus 1 is 9, so 903. So the circled numbers are going to be the potential numbers in the next 7 days, and I will do a brief summary at the very end here. Okay, so you're going to also take 811, you're going to add 314, so 8 plus 3 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, and then 1 plus 4 is 5, so 125. And then this is the part that is good and bad, I guess. So when I mirrored 811 to 366, I worked on this morning and did not realize that 670 had hit for you guys today. So 366, I'm going to add 314, so 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 1 is 7, and then 6 plus 4 is 10. Keep the 0. Alright, so what I would recommend on this is, from what I noticed, usually only one number hits for you guys in a week's time based on this system. It could change potentially, but just so you know that ahead of time. So what I would do, I would check your history for possible repeaters at the end of the month here. So on the 4th week of January, keep 670 in mind for possible repeaters if your history agrees on this part. Okay, so on the other hand, what's good about this is it shows that, at least for right now, this pattern or this method is working for your state. So what I would recommend is on this Saturday coming up, I would put that number into the wherever the potential numbers, wherever that example recorded at. I can't check it right now because I'm recording now. Just use those potential number examples for next Saturday, for next Saturday's number that hits. So let's say you had, I don't know, like 105 hits next Saturday. You would just take 105 and then just put it into place where, you know, the 811 is, and then go from there to get the next potential numbers in the next 7 days. Hopefully that part makes sense. I can clarify more in comments if needed. Just let me know. So based on that, if that 670 hadn't hit, then you would have played 903, 125, and 670 potentially. There is a possibility that either 903 or 125 may hit, but I don't see it as a likelihood, since only one number usually hits for you guys in that 7 days. Alright, so that's pretty much it. I hope the video is helpful, and then just let me know if you have any questions in the comments.